Welcome to this video on English grammar and communication, where we will explore the usage of compound prepositions and their integration with different verb tenses. In this video, we will learn how to effectively combine multi-word prepositions with past, present, and future tenses to create clear and fluent sentences. Compound prepositions are units of two or more words that function together. By pairing these with specific verb tenses, you can express relationships of time, position, and cause more precisely. We use compound prepositions for various contexts: spatial relations for physical location, cause and effect to explain reasons, source citation to reference facts, and to add extra details to your statements. Here is a quick reference for core compound prepositions. Use due to or because of for reasons, according to for citations, and in addition to when adding extra information. Consider this narrative. Yesterday, due to bad weather, a flight was canceled. A traveler waited in front of the gate along with others, while looking forward to a return to normal service. Integrating grammar rules is key. Use due to or according to with the past simple. Use in front of or along with in the present continuous for ongoing actions. Let's test your knowledge. For task A, apply the correct preposition and past simple verb. For task B, practice using prepositions with the future simple tense to describe upcoming plans. For our speaking activity, review past issues using quote due to, discuss current progress with according to, and outline your future goals using quote in addition to. By mastering these connections, you can achieve higher structural accuracy, expand your sentence complexity, and improve your transitions between different time frames. For your homework, write a 5-sentence paragraph about an unexpected event. Ensure you include at least 3 compound prepositions while using a mix of past, present, and future tenses. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this session has helped you feel more confident in your English grammar studies. Follow Just English Masterclass for more lessons. See you later.